Good morning, my MPP peeps. We are in a blood red opening, um, but that has me excited, and I'll tell you why. Because we were already at bearish extreme sentiment at the close on Friday. This open will put us into outright fear, and in a bull market, when you have a lot of fear, you 9 times out of 10 you get a massive bounce. So we're gonna start positioning ourselves right at open for that bounce. So this is the close on Friday. We're obviously closing below the 50 SMA. Or sorry, opening below the 50 SMA. Probably going to fill at least this gap around 32.40, and then there's a possibility we sink all the way down to the 0.382 retrace of this entire move, which is right around 31.90. That will be the real test, for the bulls. If the bulls don't show up here, then we have problems. But I expect the bulls to at least show up here, if not sooner. So what are we doing? This morning, we do have a lot of SPY puts that are open. We're going to close those, take those big profits off the table, and start positioning ourselves long via SPY via SPY calls. Probably June calls. Start loading up the boat in this area, in this 32.40, 31.90 area. Preparing for a bounce, most likely all the way up here, at least to fill this gap. If not, just put in a bottom and rocket higher. But at least for a bounce play, we're going to start loading up SPY calls. Sorry, my dad's texting me some motivational text this morning. So I'm going to start loading up right here, and then I'm going to watch the first 10-minute candle to see how we react. If we start to push over the highs of the first 10-minute candle, I'm going to start loading the boat more with SPY calls. And then once we close back over this 50 SMA, whenever that is, it could be today, it could be a week from now, it could be 2 weeks from now, it could be a month from now, who knows. But whenever we close over this 50 SMA, I will completely load the boat and play for at least this gap fill bounce, if not the ultimate bottom that I believe will take us to around this 3,500 area. So that's our game plan going into today. We're also going to be selling puts in strong names, as well as looking to get long some other names that we've been eyeballing and planning for to buy on a dip like this. If you want to get those ideas and those trades in real time, you can visit northpostpartners.com. Just click on the trading service, and you can sign up for one of our plans. Or you can, if you don't want to trade for yourself, we also have a fund where we trade for you. And you can email me or DM me about the fund, and I can get you that paperwork. So safe trading out there. It's going to be a wild one, but just watch for this level. If we reach it, to hold the 31.89. As long as we do, I expect this wave to end, this corrective wave to end around here and head back up. All right, thanks guys. Till tomorrow. Adios.